5 major AI players are on the cusp of a significant uptrend, yet many investors are completely overlooking them. These companies are not only innovating at an incredible pace, but are also showing compelling financial performance and aggressive strategic moves. I'll break down why each of these 5 stocks could deliver exponential gains, starting right now. Stick around, because if you miss these insights, you could be leaving significant profits on the table. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Salesforce Inc., ticker CRM. This cloud-based CRM giant isn't just a software provider, it's rapidly transforming into an AI powerhouse, spearheaded by its groundbreaking Agentforce platform. While some analysts remain patient for consistent double-digit revenue growth to reappear, Salesforce is executing a clear AI strategy that is already yielding impressive results. In its fiscal third quarter, Salesforce reported revenue of $10.26 billion, an 8.6% year-over-year increase, meeting expectations. Crucially, its current remaining performance obligations surged by 11%. But the real story lies in Agentforce. This AI-powered platform has become Salesforce's fastest-growing product ever. It's already generating nearly $1.4 billion in annualized recurring revenue, a staggering 114% year-over-year jump, with Agentforce-specific ARR skyrocketing by 330% to $540 million. Customers in production with Agentforce soared 70% quarter-over-quarter, processing over 3.2 trillion tokens through its LLM gateway. This strong market validation signals massive future potential. Salesforce is strategically building an agentic enterprise, combining human intelligence, data, and AI. The recent acquisition of Informatica further cements its data foundation, creating an approximately $10 billion data business when combined with Data 360 and MuleSoft. This strategic move strengthens its competitive moat against rivals like Microsoft. Despite a current PE ratio of 34.02, strong operating cash flow of $2.3 billion, and free cash flow of $2.2 billion underscore its financial health. With an anticipated $15 billion in operating cash flow for fiscal year 26 and 119 hedge funds already holding positions, Salesforce offers a compelling 22.6% upside potential as its AI strategy fully matures. Next up, at number 4, we have Oracle Corporation, ticker ORCL. This isn't your grandfather's database company. Oracle is undergoing a monumental transformation, pivoting aggressively into a cloud and AI infrastructure powerhouse. While some analysts, like RBC Capital, advise caution given investor scrutiny over OCI customer concentration, the sheer scale of Oracle's recent AI partnerships and growth figures are impossible to ignore. Oracle has secured absolutely massive cloud contracts with the titans of AI. We're talking OpenAI, Meta, Nvidia, and AMD. This isn't just chatter. It's concrete business driving Oracle's remaining performance obligations to an eye-watering $455 billion, a staggering 359% year-over-year increase. The company's Oracle Cloud infrastructure is the engine of this growth, with cloud infrastructure revenue surging 54% and OCI consumption revenue up 57%. Demand continues to outstrip supply, showcasing Oracle's critical role in the burgeoning AI landscape. Oracle projects OCI revenue to grow an astounding 77% to $18 billion in fiscal year 2026, eventually rocketing to $144 billion over the following 4 years, with much of this revenue already in their backlog. While the company carries a high debt load to fuel its aggressive data center expansion, with around $35 billion in capital expenditures planned for fiscal year 26, these investments are for revenue-generating equipment. With its pioneering database technology, cost-efficient infrastructure, and the new Oracle AI database, ORCL is solidifying its position. Despite a slight EPS miss, the stock rose due to strong cloud growth, attracting 122 hedge fund holders. Sliding in at number 3, Nvidia Corporation, ticker NVDA. Bernstein reiterated its outperform rating, calling the data center opportunity enormous and still early. Goldman Sachs echoed this, stating Nvidia has a sustainable model advantage and significant upside to street estimates. These aren't just analyst predictions, they're backed by phenomenal financial performance. In Q3 FY26, Nvidia delivered revenue of $57 billion, a breathtaking 62% year-over-year increase, primarily propelled by its data center segment, which alone generated $51.2 billion. Earnings per share soared to $1.30, surpassing expectations and representing a 67% generally accepted accounting principles growth. Nvidia's market dominance in high-performance GPUs, essential for AI, is formidable, holding an 80 to 90% market share. Its CUDA software ecosystem, developed over 2 decades, creates a significant competitive moat, locking in developers and reinforcing its technological leadership. The innovation engine shows no signs of slowing, with the Blackwell architecture delivering substantial performance improvements and the upcoming Vera Rubin platform promising another leap. Looking ahead, Nvidia guided for Q4 FY26 revenue of approximately $65 billion, with an improved non-generally accepted accounting principles gross margin of 75.0%. The company has extraordinary visibility into its future, citing $500 billion in revenue from its Blackwell and Rubin platforms through the end of calendar year 2026. Despite geopolitical tensions and a premium valuation with a forward PE of around 40, Nvidia's strategic foresight and relentless execution, generating $22.1 billion in free cash flow, solidifies its status as a core AI investment, attracting 234 hedge fund holders. Our penultimate pick, at number 2, Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT. Barclays reiterated an overweight rating, citing Microsoft's AI-driven pricing leverage, a testament to its commanding position in enterprise AI. Microsoft's financial performance is simply robust. Its Azure cloud platform continues to soar, growing a staggering 40% year-over-year, outpacing many competitors and rapidly gaining market share. The broader Microsoft Cloud revenue has surpassed $49 billion, up 26% year-over-year, demonstrating immense commercial momentum. This is further evidenced by commercial remaining performance obligations increasing over 50% to nearly $400 billion. The cornerstone of Microsoft's AI strategy is its deep partnership with OpenAI, now fortified with exclusive IP rights and API exclusivity, ensuring its leadership in cutting-edge AI. Microsoft is aggressively scaling its AI infrastructure, planning to increase AI capacity by over 80% this fiscal year alone, and doubling its total data center footprint over the next 2 years to meet escalating demand. Its family of AI copilots has already surpassed 150 million monthly active users, with Microsoft 365 Copilot adoption accelerating rapidly, growing 50% quarter-over-quarter, and now deployed by 90% of Fortune 500 companies. While navigating regulatory scrutiny and trading at a premium PE ratio, Microsoft's balanced growth across its productivity, cloud, and AI segments, backed by 312 hedge fund holders, positions it for continued expansion, with an upside potential of 1.1%. And finally, our number 1 must-watch AI stock, Amazon.com Incorporated, ticker AMZN. KeyBank analyst Justin Patterson reiterated an overweight rating, expressing strong optimism post-AWS re:Invent, citing robust AWS momentum and long-term AI growth. Amazon isn't just participating in the AI revolution, it's powering it from every angle. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is demonstrating accelerating growth, hitting 20.2% year-over-year in Q3 2025 with a staggering $132 billion annualized run rate. Its backlog has swelled to $200 billion by Q3 end, signaling massive future revenue. But the AI story doesn't stop there. Amazon's advertising business is thriving, growing 22% year-over-year to $17.6 billion, fueled by AI-driven targeting. The company is making colossal investments in AI infrastructure, adding 3.8 gigawatts of power capacity in the last 12 months, with plans to double capacity again by 2027. Crucially, Amazon's custom Trainium AI chips are a multi-billion-dollar business, growing an astounding 150% quarter-over-quarter, with Trainium 2 now fully subscribed and deployed at scale with major partners like Anthropic, offering 30 to 40% cost advantages. With Q3 2025 revenue hitting $180.2 billion and operating income of $17.4 billion, Amazon continues its financial strength despite significant capital expenditures projected at approximately $125 billion for 2025. With 332 hedge funds holding positions and a 10.1% upside potential, Amazon's diversified AI-powered empire, from cloud computing to advertising and custom silicon, makes it a truly indispensable investment in the AI landscape. This diversified tech giant is just getting started. Let's look at these AI powerhouses side by side. Nvidia leads with a $4.59 trillion market cap, followed by Microsoft at $3.52 trillion and Amazon at $2.42 trillion, demonstrating their entrenched dominance. In terms of revenue, Amazon commands the top spot with an astounding $691.3 billion, showcasing its massive global reach, with Microsoft close behind at $293.8 billion. For profitability, expressed through gross margin, Salesforce impresses with 77.7%, highlighting its high-value software services. Nvidia and Oracle also show strong margins at 70.0% and 68.5% respectively, a testament to their critical AI infrastructure. Amazon, while robust, has a slightly lower 50.0% gross margin, reflecting its diversified business, including e-commerce. Finally, earnings per share. Microsoft is the clear leader with a substantial $14.11 per share, demonstrating efficient operations. Salesforce follows with a solid $7.55 per share. Oracle and Amazon also report healthy EPS, while Nvidia, despite its enormous market cap, shows a comparatively lower $4.06 EPS, suggesting heavy reinvestment in future growth. For income, Oracle, Microsoft, and Salesforce offer modest yields, while Nvidia and Amazon prioritize reinvestment for explosive expansion. So, these are 5 absolutely pivotal AI stocks, each carving out a dominant position in the future of technology. The data points to robust growth, strategic advantages, and the kind of long-term potential that savvy investors seek. Which of these 5 AI giants do you believe is best positioned to deliver the most significant returns in the next 5 years? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more hidden opportunities, don't miss our video right here on 6 best technology penny stocks ready to explode in 2026.